giving this opportunity to be able to really understand my brand in a much, much better way. And I don't just mean my clients or what I do, but it's the whole brand. What is the brand? What is the brand putting across, and how do I want my clients to feel through my brand? Because you kind of, if you think about that, the springtime of the color as well, all these beautiful colors. And I know you helped me with kind of my colors as well and choosing the right ones, and this whole level of vibrancy. And what I love about the spring aspect of it is all of the colors. Spring is so colorful, isn't it? And this is where women in midlife want to be. They want to get that color back. They want to feel this sort of spring energy. And so that, and also I loved the fact that one of the other aspects of spring that you were great to point out was that spring is about movement as well. And so again, that really fits in for me about the flow. We're always trying to find hormonally flow, and so that really spoke to me as well. And then thinking about this movement and the color and the vibrancy through the graphics. Absolutely. And and that the piece around you helping us to find photos, if we want to use photos, to put either on their own or incorporate with the graphics that you guide us to produce as well. And along with that, even the fonts, looking at, okay, what are spring fonts to be using? So, it really is everything. And you have that sense of real kind of achievement as well. You think, oh, wow, this is my work. I've created this under your guidance, obviously. But that in itself is just really kind of raises your vibration, because there's that, it's a win for everyone, isn't it? It's a win for us because we've got the deeper level for our clients. It's our creation. And then obviously that is going to give our clients a much better idea of what it is we do and the vibe, and that will draw them to us as well. As it's so many levels, isn't it, that we connect with our clients. Visually, through speech, through color, through sensations and feelings. And so I feel that everything that we're creating in Sprout kind of encompasses all of those things as well. To have a bit of a play and be creative as well. It is hugely value on a personal level too, because that playing, creating, we often lose sight of as business owners because we're so focused on being in the business. And we don't often gift ourselves that time. And creativity comes in many ways. Some people find the creativity comes from a walk. Some people find the creativity comes from running or dancing. But there's so much to be gained by drawing, doodling, artwork. And so it's gifted me the opportunity to come back to that creativity again, which was not really in my life at all. So on business level and a personal level, there's been notice. Well, I definitely notice in my business, if I haven't done anything that is more calming and kind of using a different part of my brain, I do know the difference. And just allowing ourselves to be creative in whatever way we choose actually helps spark our business brain as well, and ideas. So often people might think, oh, it's a bit of a waste of time doing that, I haven't got time for it. But actually, all of these aspects gift us time back. So, here's to doodling. Let's all get doodling.